Welcome to the future of app development. Artificial intelligence is transforming the app market, but building and selling AI apps requires expertise. We'll cover the basics of AI development, from machine learning to deep learning. Next, we'll discuss popular AI app development tools and frameworks. Then we'll dive into monetization strategies, from in-app purchases to subscriptions. We'll also explore the importance of data collection and analysis for AI app success. Finally, we'll provide tips for marketing and promoting your AI app. By the end of this guide, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of building and selling AI apps. So let's get started on this journey to AI app success. AI app development requires a solid foundation in programming and data science. Popular AI development tools include TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Keras. For monetization, consider in-app purchases, subscriptions, or advertising. Data collection and analysis are crucial for AI app success. Finally, promote your AI app through social media, content marketing, and influencer partnerships.